Okay, remember several months ago when we were pruning and trimming back things that had died from the winter? Here is that chrysanthemum, and she's doing beautifully. Hey, Chrissy. And we just gave it some of this Miracle Grow water, and we are using the singles, Miracle Grow singles for watering cans today. And behind it is our rosemary that has just, wow, really taken off. And it smells wonderful after the rain when you come out here. And we've got these beauties that we're going to be watering from overhead today with this blue water. If you want your plants to grow, to flower, your veggies, I suggest using this as it has exactly what just about everything your growing needs. And these beautiful flowers have bloomed, and we've got a acorn that has grown into a bush that we have to get out of here. The spiderworts are closing up. They open early in the morning. And we've got another acorn tree here, and then we've got a plant back there hiding with some sage. And we're going to water our pansies down here just to keep them going in this heat. And we're going to be watering and covering up with some soil later in a next video right here for our gladiolas. We had a few that came and bloomed, and now we're adding some to this bed here to keep that color going. And you certainly can. You can plant, these are our day lilies. Spiderworts. All of these are perennials that you see. They come back and even multiply year after year all by themselves.